Here's a learning experience. We are in the middle of the channel. There is the one side, there's the other side, and that thing's coming right at us. Now, that green marker right there is to their port, and we are to their starboard. I don't think they have enough room. Jamie says that they will honk 5 times to tell us to get out of the way if they feel like they cannot clear this. There's the distance in between, and it's far away, but that is one big boat.
Yeah, now they got to go faster than the current because they're going with the current.
We're gonna pause this and come back. Here they come again. They're a little closer.
That's 5. We go.
We heard it. Gotta go. Get out of the way. Got all the rods up, pretty much, and just got out of the way so that they can clear. They honked 5, so that works. Big old monster. Look at that thing. Got one there to keep it from going this way and another one in the back pushing it.